So I have a box here. I already took the ribbons off because I had to actually have it shipped to my home address because I didn't, want to carry it back with me while I was traveling because I didn't want to risk anything happening to it. But here's the box. I took the ribbon off, but this was something I had been looking for like I think over, well, probably a year because my I guess journey with Hermès or my shopping experience started around mid-September 2023. But one thing that I love to do, if anybody knows me, is I love tea. So I was able to get this beautiful tea set. I'm gonna try to take her out. And it's packed really, really, really well. So, she's frightening me and I don't wanna break. But mind you, this tea set you have to be extremely careful with because not so much, see it's beautiful. See, I'm gonna put this there. It's not enough room. And these are what you have to be careful with. The handle is so delicate. I mean, you can definitely break it, but it comes with the teapot and two of these lovely teacups with the lovely saucers here. I'm gonna put it right back because for some reason I get nervous, but I can't wait to host tea with my family and friends in my beautiful tea set. And I love the box has, again, I love how the box has, you can set everything in there very, it's tight, so it's not coming out. So I feel like even if you move or something, it's not going anywhere. Another lovely object that I picked up from the Madison Boutique, again, going on the same theme, is this beautiful box, which, you can put sugar cubes in, and it's just lovely. And even if you didn't want to put sugar cubes in, you can put jewelry or anything. And you can find this sometimes on the website, but I wanted to finally complete this tea set. So again, I love the motif. You see the H in here. It's just beautiful. And it's pretty sturdy. Again, everything is delicate, but I don't think anything is as delicate as those teacups. They're so delicate, they make me nervous delicate. So the last thing, this I just wanted to show you. This is the creamer. Now this I received from my home boutique, but it's a really nice solid piece. So I can't wait to host tea with this set. So just remember, Hermès has so many great pieces. And again, I'll have more to show, but stay tuned for my next unboxing. Bye.